The ease in which you can cook a cake in the all-in-one multi-cooker is quite extraordinary. I use the inner pot as my cake tin, which means one less piece of equipment to worry about. Now when it comes to cake, you can't go past a chalky one. So to get started, I'm going to melt my butter for my batter. So we press the saute sear button, and then we select cooking time, and then we've reduced the time down to 2 minutes, and then press start. Add butter, and stir until it's melted. And then pour the butter into a mixing bowl. I'm taking a little shortcut that I think you'll like. I'm using a chocolate packet cake mix. So just make the cake batter following the packet directions. And then we just pour that cake batter straight into the inner pot, and then just smooth out the batter. Place the lid on and close it. And then just set the valve to bake. We press bake, and 45 minutes will come up on the screen. It's exactly what we want. Then all we need to do is press start. And then once the cooking time has completed, remove the lid and then remove the pot. And we need to set it aside for 2 minutes. And now it's time to turn it out onto a plate. So put the plate on top, grab my little tea towel, and then we're gonna flip it. 1, 2, 3. All right. Fingers crossed. Ta-da! And now to make the cherry sauce, we're gonna add our cherry juice, corn flour, and the chocolate frosting from inside that packet cake mix. And then just give it a whisk. So we'll press the sauce thickening button, and then I want to reduce that time down, so I'll press cooking time and the minus button until we reach 5 minutes. Then press start. That's looking pretty thick and luxurious to me, so if you don't need the full 5 minutes, that's absolutely fine. You can just press cancel on the screen. Now I'm adding those tin cherries. Give it a quick stir, and then we'll remove this from the multi-cooker and set it aside to cool to room temperature. And then once your cake has cooled, you can spread whipped cream over the top, and then spoon that lush chocolatey cherry mixture over the top. Then if you like, you can garnish with some fresh cherries as well, but I do recommend that you garnish with some beautiful chocolate curls. The much loved Black Forest cake made hassle-free with my sneaky little shortcut, all in the Philips all-in-one multi-cooker. Now, who wants a slice?